I eat my dinner in my bathtub, then I go to sex clubs, watching freaky people